It's Happy New Year. Okay, officially we've resumed for the year. Okay, this year I pray that God will bless our businesses. I pray that our businesses will flourish. Okay, I pray that God will help us to work smartly. Yes. So when we work smartly, we'll be seeing evidence and all that. We don't have to work too much, but there will be so much results. Okay, so like you all know, I have a ready to wear brand. I'm still building. Yes, I'm still building, and you know that building a brand is not easy. Not just as long as you are into production, it's not easy. You need so many things, and some of these things you are seeing here are some of the stuffs I got for my ready to wear brand. Yes, the fabrics I want to use and work. See, see all of them. So I know you'll be asking, why am I showing you? Yes, I'm showing you guys this because if you've gone through my channel, you'll see that I'm always talking about starting somewhere. I'm always talking about you don't have to be perfect before you start. You get? Yes, I'm always talking about that. So that is why today I'm showing you guys these stuffs. Yes, I went to the market yesterday. I bought some fabrics that we use and make ready to wear for our brand, UJ Ready to Wear Clothing Brand. So these are some of the fabrics I bought. These ones are Ankara print. All these ones nobody owns it. I'm going to make them sew with it. Two-piece, Ankara gown, Ankara shorts, Ankara trouser, and the rest. Even vintage shirt. You know we do for both genders, right? Okay, so look at this Ankara fabric. Take a look at this beautiful. See how beautiful it is. So these are some of the Ankara prints. That's the African prints that we bought. Take a look at it. See how fine it is. Are you seeing? That's so much. And they're all beautiful. So if you see anyone you like and you want us to use it and recreate something for you, just let me know. And you can still wait when we so with it, if you like it, order for it. Okay, so this is me showing you that I've not made it. Yes, like this is not a pity post. No, this is not for pity. It's not for pity, but it's just to encourage you to start somewhere. You can start with one fabric, you can start with two fabric. Okay, start somewhere. As long as you have a sewing machine, be it manual, be it electric, start somewhere. Stop waiting till the perfect time. Okay, so these are some of the Ankara fabric I got. Let me put it aside and show you some other things I got. Okay, look at those ones. These ones are fabrics I want to use and make cargo pants. Yes, I want to use this one to make cargo pants. You see it? Now, another reason why I'm doing this is there are some persons that will be like, are you the one making these things? Yes, this is where I make all these things. Okay, I'm the one making them. I made this one. Okay, so these are cargo pants. This one's are for cargo pants. You see, this one's are for cargo pants, and this is it. I didn't show you guys all, but we have different colors here. Okay, what else we have inside this? What do we have here? Let me see what's inside here. Okay, this one is for shirts. Oh, this one is also for cargo pants. Yes, let me see if I can open it and show you guys. Okay, I already opened this. What do we have here? Okay, this one is also for cargo pants. Look at this color. This color is so beautiful. Imagine making a cargo pants with this. You see? So like I said, it's not just black. Okay? Yes. You might say you have just few pieces. Yes. If you want more than that, if you want 100, we can make it for you. So these are the ones to make. To start from here. Like I said, start somewhere. Start somewhere. Don't wait till you have it all. Okay? So these ones are elastic. Whenever I want to buy my elastic, this is elastic I do make use of. And I always get this. Where I used to get this. If I tell you that I used to go to a particular market because of just the elastic waistband, you want that. Because of just this, I used to go to a particular market just to get this and to get our ropes. So these ones are just elastic and rope. So fabrics. Take a look at these beautiful fabrics. These ones are vintage fabrics. I so much love this one. Look at this particular one. So we're going to use this ones. Like I said, these are some. Everything cannot be here. You understand? Everything cannot be here. So we're going to make use of this ones for shirts. These ones are more tailoring stuffs. Yeah, tailoring stuffs, threads and co. Okay. So what's inside this one? Oh, see this fabric. I want to use this and make shirts. Yes, I want to use this black to make shirts. So, and this white, I want to use it to make shirts. So, what else we have? Encourage you, start somewhere. Yes. When I will make all these things now, start showing you, be like, have so many, I've made it. That is why I am saying start somewhere. No, start somewhere. Don't wait till you have it all. Start somewhere, okay? So those are some of the stuff I got that will start production. So if you see the one you like, please just let me know. Or when we start posting, please don't forget to patronize us. And to all those that patronized us last year, we say a very big thank you. We say a very big thank you. And if there's any way you want us to improve, let us know. We are always open for corrections, okay? Thank you guys so much. I love you guys. See you guys later.